Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a true legend of American muscle, the 1965 Ford Mustang. This car isn't just a vehicle, it's a piece of history that redefined the automobile industry and set the stage for an entire generation of performance cars. When you first look at the exterior, the 65 Mustang has that unmistakable long hood and short deck design that makes it instantly recognizable. The chrome accents, sharp body lines, and classic pony badge in the grille give it a timeless appeal. Depending on the trim, you'd see options like the fastback, coupe, or convertible, each one with its own charm. Step inside and you're greeted with a simple yet stylish interior. The dual cockpit layout, round gauges, and chrome details give it a sporty yet comfortable feel. Back in the day, you could even customize your interior with different colors and finishes, which made the Mustang a car that fit both your personality and budget. Under the hood, the 1965 Mustang came with multiple engine options, ranging from the modest inline-6 to the powerful version 8S. Of course, the V8 models gave that raw muscle car sound and performance that enthusiasts still chase today. Now let's talk prices. Originally, the 1965 Mustang had a starting price of just around $2,300, making it one of the most affordable sports cars of its time. Fast forward to today, the value of a classic Mustang depends on condition, originality, and rarity. A well-kept base model might cost around $25,000 to $40,000, while rare or fully restored V8 fastbacks can climb well over $70,000 or even into six figures at auctions. The Ford Mustang 1965 isn't just a car, it's a cultural icon, a collector's dream, and still one of the most beloved classics on the road. If you ever get the chance to see one up close, you'll understand why it became such a legend. So that's the review of the 1965 Mustang: exterior, interior, performance, and what you can expect in terms of price today. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more car reviews, and drop a comment with your favorite Mustang memory.